So here's the thing. 3D circumstances will always reflect certain identity of you that no longer applies to this moment. So your 3D circumstances outside of you, the amount of money you have, the wealth you have, the relationships you are experiencing in your 3D physical reality will always reflect to you the identity who created this outside world. But that identity is no longer available. You are constantly shifting, so you have already changed, you have evolved. But by paying attention to 3D circumstances and reacting to it, you are basically reaffirming that old self, that identity that is no longer here. And that's the biggest mistake. And actually, this video was inspired by one of my clients, private clients today. And this guy is super successful. And yet, here and there, he would still pay attention to 3D circumstances. But here's the thing. True wealth, true abundance is not what is seeing with your senses in 3D reality. In fact, true wealth, true abundance is within you. It's a state of consciousness. And once you actually understand that you are the creator of your abundance, you are the creator of overflow in your life, you are the creator of wealth in your life, wealth in every area of your life, then you know that it doesn't matter what you see in your bank account. It doesn't matter what you see around you, because this physical reality will always mirror back to you who you are on vibrational level. And this is, my dear, the key to manifesting all your wildest dreams, including wealth, health, abundance, freedom, success, all of it. Once you can actually understand that you create the way you see the outside world, you are the one responsible, and you stop giving away your power by reacting to what is, you literally take that power back, that creative power back, and you start using that power in this moment now, and you start creating totally different experience. And because there is a delay in 3D, obviously it's going to take some time to see it visibly manifested in front of your eyes. And meanwhile, what you have to do is hold the vision, hold that frequency, and surrender. When I say surrender, I am talking about the understanding that it's not just you who is manifesting it. You are always collaborating with the universe, with source, God, whatever you want to call it. And when you surrender to it, that means that you don't have to control the process. You don't have to micromanage every step. You can just surrender and let it unfold perfectly. So you don't worry about the how. You don't worry when is it going to happen. You trust and you do the work. And you do the work not on just vibrational level, but also in that aligned action. So whenever you have a download, inspiration, you have this feeling you got to act. You act upon it. You don't question it. You don't go into fear. You don't go into insecurity. You take that aligned action. And that's exactly how you will step by step manifest the impossible.